Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Puerto Rican style coquito. So let's get into it. These are my ingredients. I have coconut milk, cream of coconut, condensed milk, my Bacardis, and my spices. So I'm going to start opening up all my cans just like this. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you guys look out for that. However, this is pretty straightforward, easy and simple. You can't mess it up. This is also my first time making it. I did get some tips from a few people. So, hope I make you guys proud. Again, this is my first time making it, but let me tell y'all something. This drink is addictive, super addictive, and I'm definitely gonna make this again. So I'm going to start putting all my coconut milks and my condensed milk into my blender. Now, y'all, I almost overflowed my blender. And I actually ended up not using 2 of the cans of coconut, which is totally fine because it was still balanced, still delicious, and still perfect and ready to go. So it didn't matter. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of my Bacardi. Look at me spilling stuff, y'all. I'm just clumsy, but I put it in the condensed milk can because there was still some in the bottom, and so I wanted to get all of that out. So I put the Bacardi in the can and poured it into the blender. Same with the Bacardi Gold. I put it in the other can and poured it down in there. Now, you don't have to use the gold and the regular Bacardi. You can use either the gold Bacardi or the clear, regular Bacardi. I just wanted to do it this way. Alright, so now it's time to spice this up. Now, clearly I didn't use any measurements here. I just went with my eyeball as usual, but you could taste as you go. But again, I will have the exact measurement in the description box. But what I did add a lot of was the nutmeg, because I realized the more nutmeg I added, the better it started tasting. And so I added a whole bunch of fresh grated nutmeg, and it's so delicious, you guys. It is very addictive. I see why this drink is so popular, and I hope you guys give it a try and tell them, Misha's Corner, if you never had it just like me. Well, I did have it, I just never made it before. Let them know I put you on, okay? Let me stop before they get me, child, because I ain't come up with coquito. Let me behave myself. But I'm going to pour these up in my cute bottles just like this. I am giving a couple of these away to my friend as a Christmas gift. So I'm pouring it up into my cute bottles. And these are what they look like, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe and me making the coquito.